images are just images you can earn from it for as long as you know how to utilize it. Amazing, right? If you take a look at this, one image can cost $150. And take note, you do not need to have any fancy gears and camera equipment to get this done. If you want to learn how you can do it easily and hassle-free, then keep on watching as I share with you a free tool and website that can help you in making hundreds and even thousands of money online. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where we teach you how to make money online, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Now let's get back to the video. Without further ado, I'll be sharing with you the very first website where you can work as easy as 5 minutes. What I'm about to share with you is a platform where you can get images for free and earn from them. Keep on watching and don't miss out on anything as I share with you how you can do it. The very first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your browser and type on Spark Adobe. It is a free tool with lots of different templates that will tell you to simply click and drag to create high-quality design ideas. All you have to do is head over to Adobe Spark to discover more about the varying types of designs that you can create with this tool. You can also make a social media graphic by snapping a photo and using design filters or animation to make it distinctive and generate a high-quality design. They also got other features such as creating videos, but I will be talking more about the images. There is no need for you to worry since it can be done with the use of your mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Go to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started. Now to make a free account. You can sign up using your email or Adobe ID, Facebook or Apple account. Log in once you've picked which account you'd like to create, and you'll be redirected to a brand new account straight instantly. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. When you create a new Adobe Spark account, you'll have access to all of these different graphic designs that are virtually totally done for you. All you have to do is modify the text and it becomes your own unique design. You can end up making hundreds or even thousands of dollars with the websites that I'll share with you by creating Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, and branded images, as well as flyers, ebook covers, and book covers. For example, if I want to use the flyer design template, I'll simply click on it to show how straightforward it is. Even if you don't have any experience in graphic designing at all. No, what I need to do is wait for them to move my design so that I can fully customize or modify my template. Simply double-click on the text and type in whatever you want, and then click Done. This image will now change on the right-hand side, and you can also adjust the colors, fonts, and size, whichever is preferable for you. If I prefer this one, I can click on Create from this template, wait for it to appear, and then alter it. It's incredibly simple to use because it's already 99% done for you. All you have to do now is alter the text and save it to your computer. I altered the backdrop photo by choosing to replace or remove the background, or by adding more filters to my background. You may use those templates to create a variety of different designs. Once you finish tweaking the design, you can download it and save it to your computer. It's really as quick as that, and you may repeat the process as many times as possible. If you also want to remove the watermark, simply screenshot the image with any screenshot software you have on your computer, such as the snipping tool, and remove the bottom watermark. Let me show you a few places where you can get paid hundreds of dollars for your Adobe Spark projects. This is designcrowd.com, where you can be paid for all of the different logo designs, business cards, web design, flyer design, and graphic design that you can simply generate. If I go to this designers category and select graphic designers, I will see people from all over the world making money. If we take logo designers as an example, we can see that they're making even more money. There is a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com, which is a great website that pays a decent amount for designs. Also, if you want to focus on flyer design, you can click on that and you'll be able to see different available jobs where you can submit, get your design, and get paid. I could get compensated for one single image that I sent over there for one single design that I can complete in minutes with Adobe Spark. You may use that time to create a banner ad, app icons, or a Facebook design. To start using designcrowd.com, go to the website, click the Join for Free button, enter your email address, create a password, and then click on Let's Go. Once you've signed up and logged into your new account, you can start browsing all of these different tasks. Once you find one that suits you, simply click on it, submit your design, and wait to see whether you've made a profit. The major question is, how do you get your money from the website? Now I'd like to show you how simple it is. So once you start earning money, go to your profile, click Profile Settings, then Payouts on the left side. Select your payment option, enter your payment information, and that's how you can collect your profits. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.